Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel. Today we'll discuss step by step about AV filing 100 mg capsules. So let's go. Its generic name is azithromycin 100 mg. Its manufacturing company is Sun Pharmaceutical Industry Limited. Its price is about 265 rupees. Its category, azithromycin belongs to the class of drug called bronchodilators, primarily used to prevent and treat symptoms of asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Its doses. Avifilin is a capsule form. Its uses. Avifilin capsule is used in the treatment of asthma, bronchitis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. How to use? Take the medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Side effects. Its common side effects are vomiting, rash, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, itching, heartburn, etc. Its alternative or substitute drug is Zifilin 100 mg capsules, AV flu capsules, Avivia 100 mg capsule, etc. Storage. It is stored below 30 degrees Celsius. Keep away from children and pets. Its warning: pregnancy and breastfeeding must have to consult to your doctor. Thank you for watching my video.